We're gonna go through how to set up and use the Tachiyomi app on Android after you install it for the first time. I have just installed the Tachiyomi app and it's here. Let's launch it for the first time. At the very first, it lets you select the theme that you desire. So let's pick the theme. I'm gonna pick this one and tap on next. Now you're gonna have to create a distinct folder to store the Tachiyomi files. Tap on select folder. It says here can't use this folder. Scroll down and you can pick the download folder. Create a new folder here. Set the name as Tachiyomi files. Tap on done and tap on use this folder. Allow. Now the folder is set. Storage guide is totally optional. Tap on next. Now you're gonna have to allow several permissions. Tap on install apps permission. Grant. Just enable this allow from this source. Go back. And thus it's been enabled here. Tap on grant for notification permission. Allow. Background battery usage is totally optional. So tap on next. Now tap on get started. The first thing you wanna do here is go to more. Scroll down here. This is the settings. Scroll down and go to browse. And here you've got the option to add the extension repos. Tap on extension repos plus. Now in Tachiyomi, every of the extension repo URL must end with index.min.json. All other URLs are invalid. So let's give you a demonstration by adding the repo URL. Go back to home screen, launch any browser and start by just doing a Google search for Tachiyomi extensions GitHub. Scroll down and we're gonna find one trusted source, this one here, KUC extensions. Tap here, scroll down. To give you a demonstration, you can just copy this extension repo URL. As you can see, the repo URL just ends with index.min.json. Copy this whole URL, copy link address. Go back to Tachiyomi and input the URL. Once you do that, and just add. So thus the extension repo has been added. Go back. And the next thing you want to do here is go to browse, go to extensions, and if you refresh here once you scroll down, all of your extensions will be updated here. To install an extension, just tap on the install button and install. Once the extension is installed, it will move up to the untrusted section. It's here. Tap on the extension that you just installed and just trust. Once it's trusted, it will move up and it will be visible. Now if you go to sources and this is updated here. Now there's few more things that you need to know. Go to more, go to settings once again, and there's lots of things that you can customize inside the app like appearance, library, reader. If you want to get the best reader settings for Tachiyomi, there's a video link in the description. Just go there and watch the video. And there's tracking, data and storage, where you can create a backup and also restore any previous backups. So that's the basic setup and usage guide for Tachiyomi app. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.